Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Again, with another ClipSat video, we have a question from one of my colleagues saying, what is the value of cosine I? How can we get this value? Okay, consider the complex number R, which written as R cosine theta plus I sine theta, okay, which can be written in Euler form as e to the power I theta, R e power I theta. For simplicity, I am considering this R equal to 1. So I will get rid of that. And this equality is correct. Okay. If we change theta here to negative theta, like replace theta with negative theta, so I will reach this form, cosine negative theta. Of course, I know that cosine is an even function, and the I sine negative theta is equal e to the power negative I theta. Okay. With simple arithmetic, I know that cosine is an even function, so cosine theta can get rid of the negative, and here sine is an odd function, so this negative can go out. So it will be negative I sine theta, and that's still equal I to the power negative I theta. Let's add these two equations, just add them. By adding the first one with the third one here, and the number 3, okay? Just add to find 2 cosine theta. Of course, I sine with negative I sine will be canceled. And here is e to the power I theta plus e to the power negative I theta. Okay, that ends to cosine theta equals that measure e to the power I theta plus e to the power negative I theta over 2. In this line, if you substitute the angle theta with I, the power here will become I times I, which is negative 1. The power here becomes negative I times I, which will be positive 1. So cosine theta, when theta equal I, it should be cosine e to the power 1 and e to the power negative 1 all over 2. This is, guess what, a real number. Okay. In similar way, we can prove the sine and also the tan. Sine can be obtained by subtracting 1 and 3. I will leave that for you. And the tan can be obtained by finally dividing the value of sine divided the value of cosine. One more thing here. You know, from the definition of cosine of theta, it's e to the power theta plus e to the power negative theta all over 2. So from this, we can substitute here theta equal to 1, and we can set this identity that cosine of I will equal cosine of 1. That's it. And you also can see this summary, the sine I, cosine I, and tan I. Try to solve the other 2 identities yourself. Enjoy and thank you. See you in another video. Bye-bye.